Hi everyone and welcome. Hey, thank you for popping in and spending a half a minute or a minute or the next 5 minutes with me. My name is Carol, artist of Onlytrees, and it's been probably about a month and a half since I've done a video for YouTube, so I thought I'd pop in. Number one, I want to say thank you. Thank you to all of you new subscribers that are here looking for inspiration to create that wire tree. Today I am popping in because I'm working on something that's totally different. And as I say in a lot of the videos that you might have seen beforehand, maybe not, maybe this is your very first time, but if I figure something out when I'm creating a wire tree, I do love to share so that we can all learn on this type of medium together. So today I am working on a prototype. The prototype is, all right, let me throw this out at you. Have you ever, really, have you ever made a sycamore tree out of wire? Me either. So there you go. There's a first timer for all of us. First time sycamore tree. When you look at a sycamore tree, most of them are very tall. The branches are long. They go 120 feet up into the air, and the trunk of the sycamore just has so many different colors as the tree gets older and older. So the colors that I wanted to use to create this sycamore tree had so many different colors in it. And when I was first creating it, I started out with a 22 gauge wire. The lengths of my wire were 24 inches long, and I used white, army green, and gunmetal or hematite colored wire. And I twisted all of those 22 gauge pieces of wire together. And when I was looking at it, it literally looks like twisted colored wire. Not happy with it. So moving on to the next step, because of the Twisting with Wire Friends Facebook page, we do a get together. I try to do at least once a week on a Monday night, and it happened to be just a couple weeks ago. We did a video chat and had the opportunity to talk to quite a few of very qualified wire artists, threw my idea out at them, and between all of us, we came up with something that I thought, yes, this might work. I'll give you one chance to tell me in the comments. No, you're not going to put it in the comments because you know I'm going to tell you. So one of the suggestions was to do a braid. And I have to do a shout out to Garen. Garen was the one who suggested braiding the colors together and wrapping it around the trunk or the core of the tree to bring the thickness of the trunk out that I was looking for. Because when I was putting the wire together, just this thin 22 gauge wire, and I chose 22 gauge because I wanted the colors to kind of blend. I just was not getting that blending shape that I was hoping for. So when Garen suggested a braid, that really hit the spot, and tried working on a braid. So with the amount of colors that the sycamore has and the colors that I used for the sycamore tree was amber, brown, copper, off-white, hematite or gunmetal. Let's see, what else? My phone is ringing. I will attend to that in a moment. But anyway, okay, let me try that again. So amber, brown, raw copper, antique white, army green, and hematite or gunmetal color. So those 6 colors are what I wanted to use in that particular sycamore tree that I'm working on. So with that being said, I took 3 strands of one of the colors, mixing the colors up, not really saying which one is going to be which. So doing a braid, we all know how to do braids. I took amber, hematite, and copper, and braided those 3 22 gauge wires together. Then I took another group of 3, maybe being off-white, hematite, and copper for a little bit lighter tone, and then another set of wires, and continued to do that till I got a bunch of braids together. And this is what I came up with. I'm so excited to share with you. So just a different concept. I don't want to take too much longer of your time because I really am into working on it, but I wanted to show you where I am at this point. So this is the prototype. This will not be the tree going out to the customer. This is me playing with colored copper and silver wire. And this is the concept that I came up with. I love the thickness that's coming into the trunk, the colors that are coming into the trunk. This is a total new learning experience for me. You can see up in this area that I use, this is my core, okay, that I started with. And this is the wrapping that I'm doing on the outside. Now, because this is a prototype, my next tree won't look like this, so much of a wrap, but it will have a wrap. But I want to start way out here with this color in the root system, building up with the braid, bringing up into my branches. And because this tree is to be 16 inches, this tree that I'm working on will not make it to those 16 inches. I will have to add on, and the wire that I will add on will be the white, because at the very top branches in the crown of the tree, you'll find them to be white and off-white, and maybe a little bit of the hematite or gunmetal color up in the crown of the tree. Okay, so that was what I was so excited about, a brand new concept, texture in the trunk, and life is good. I hope you have an awesome day, and we will talk soon.